As of December 2024, several significant tax changes are set to take effect in Canada in 2025. Here's an overview of the key updates. The federal tax brackets and personal tax credit amounts will increase by an indexation factor of 2.7% for 2025. This adjustment reflects inflation and affects the income thresholds for each tax bracket. For example, the lowest tax bracket, which has a 15% rate, will apply to income up to $57,375, increased from $55,867 in 2024. Other tax brackets are also adjusted upwards for inflation. Basic personal amount, or BPA, will increase to $16,129, up from $15,705 in 2024. What does it mean? The BPA is a non-refundable tax credit that reduces the amount of income tax owed. Canadians can earn up to $16,129 in 2025 before paying any federal income tax. The maximum pensionable earnings under Canada Pension Plan will increase. The maximum CPP contribution for both employees and employers will rise to $4,034.10 each in 2025, up from $3,867.50 in 2024. The taxable portion of capital gains is set to increase from 50% to 66.7% for corporations and individuals with gains over $250,000. This change, effective June 25, 2025, aims to raise additional revenue and is expected to impact investment decisions, including real estate transactions. The lifetime capital gains exemption, or LCGE, may increase to $1.25 million for small business shares. Goods and Services Tax, or GST, on new residential rentals. The federal government has proposed removing the GST on new residential rental developments until the end of 2030. This initiative aims to incentivize the construction of rental housing to address housing shortages. Temporary sales tax relief and rebates. The federal government has announced plans to temporarily eliminate federal sales tax on select items and distribute one-time checks to millions of Canadians to alleviate rising living costs. These measures are part of a strategy to appeal to voters ahead of a potential election and are expected to be in effect from December 14th to February 15th. For the tax-free savings account, the annual contribution limit will remain at $7,000 for 2025, unchanged from 2024. The RRSP dollar limit for 2025 will increase to $32,490, up from $31,560 in 2024. The RRSP contribution limit remains 18% of the previous year's earned income, up to the new maximum of $32,490. Okay, so wrapping things up, these new tax rules coming in 2025 are a pretty big deal for us Canadians. It's important to know what's changing so you can be ready. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any more important updates.